Yeah, you're gonna hear this diff. It's kind of insane. Feel it already.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know why they put like a mechanical two-way in a stock car, but I don't know. It's pretty awful.
That's gnarly.
Yeah, it kind of feels like a welded diff a little bit.
Yeah.
Once you're moving though, it's not too bad. Yeah, I haven't really like opened this car up or anything like that. I kind of just been driving around a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't really trust the I don't really trust the mechanicalness of it, I guess, so to speak. Or in those,
yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's like a stock tune. But this car will eventually probably get a single turbo and a bunch of goodies. Might just be a while from now.
This one also makes all the right noises?
Yeah. Just needs a single turbo.
Yeah.
Like just RBs and single turbos and like a open wastegate, they're just special.
I just have to see how much it is.
I was really surprised, like, so I put the Tomei on this car and I did a cat delete, and I thought it was going to be like a lot more loud.
Yeah.
But I'm kind of
really
surprised.
Not.
No, I mean, I'm sure when I do like a single turbo, it's probably going to make it a lot more more loud. But because I did a Tomei on my S14, my RB26 S14, and it was pretty loud. Which that car had a single turbo and all that, but.
It's got a really nice tone to it, for sure.
Yeah. That diff kind of throws me off. Like it turns in weird, and I'm not used to it yet. Like it, I don't know.
I could feel it.
Yeah,
whenever
like
you started to initiate
it gets
the
like the turning gets like really aggressive.
Yeah.
I might end up changing it to like a 1.5 way or something. I don't know yet. It almost killed me in the rain yesterday. Like I didn't even go around. Like it was after it rained. And I just went around a corner and I didn't really go around that fast, and it just like it just oversteered like really bad. And I saved it obviously, but like I wasn't ready. It was scary. But I see why people like doing the two-way for like a track car, because it does make like the turn-in like very aggressive. I'll probably turn around up here. Yeah. pretty gnarly. Like I took it to get an alignment at Evans. I don't know if you know like Corey very well.
Yeah.
He pulled it out on alignment rack and he was like, "Man, you sure that's normal?" I'm like, I think like, I mean,
it's gnarly. It makes some gnarly noises back there.
Like I mean, like just kind of Googling it and reading what other people say. Like I think it's pretty normal because it's fine when you're like kind of moving.
Yeah.
It's not like whining or nothing, you know. It's just, I guess it's just like the clutch is like locking up, and I don't know. I don't know enough about that kind of stuff. Sounds good. See, like just get a little bit of turning, and just you can feel the rear end just locking up, doing weird things. This thing felt awful with the high kiss. So, because I had the high kiss when I first bought it, and one of the tie rods, is it a tie rod? Yeah, the tie rods were kind of loose too. It was just doing all kinds of weird things. To mow out here really bad, like in the ditches and stuff. It's kind of overgrown.